Wait, are we good, Andre? Everyone else is good? All right, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone. Less than 5. Off to the races we go. We have a lot of tools on our discretion. One of the things that we do oftentimes is power test, and we can see if a quad is broadcasting. And initially, we weren't getting any video. The drone was not broadcasting. We broadcast on within the 5.8 band, same as your routers and access points at home. And I slid out with all our gear there to try and see what was going on. Ooh, that was a bad crash for Alerre. Sparky MJ is going to be your leader. Rolling into this round, he was in the number 2 spot. He'll need to get on to lap number 5. A 32.6, pretty good time for an opening lap. 5 laps in 2 minutes 5, our TQ time. There's a 32 and change for Sparky MJ. Linens and Ninja Quad onto lap number 2. 40 seconds still to go. Sparky MJ just got on to lap number 4. Another 32. He's got 3 32-second lap times. That is dialed in consistency. He's your fastest moving at that, almost that 50-yard line. There's a ding. Here he comes left to right, split S around to start finish gate. 4 laps in 2:05.4. Little bit of a better effort here in the second round. Took about 2 seconds off his first round time. We got 2 this time for Linens, 2 for Ninja Quad, and now we are down and we're retrieving quads. Heat 3.